Okay, so a little bit more work on this one. Well, a bit more work on this one to be able to create Franco chain, which is this chain that's double linked into each other. So works okay. So exactly the same as the other builder. You've got the same controls to produce the chain, dimensions, lengths, whatever it is that you want to make the chain. And then after that, there's a bit more work done inside here to create a casting core that's separate to the casting sprues, and the casting sprues separate to the core itself. So you may or may not decide to do that. I also added a rotation slider inside here. Something like Franco chain, you need to be getting, let's move that way. You need to be getting the right angle to make sure that you're self-supporting all the way through for the print. So an ability to angle the chain outwards. Yeah, so coming along okay. So you can still change your core diameters and that kind of stuff. You can still change, make them what you want. Then you're going to have to bring that one back a little bit, so that they just touch, something like that. Oopsie. So they're just touching over there, assuming that you wanted to do that. Yeah, completely up to you how you want to run that. Casting core thickness, offsets, heights, everything remains the same. So you can move the core up, down, left, right, however you want to do. And then of course your number of units, the height of the casting. I mean, if you want that higher or lower, you can still adjust that. Completely up to you. You've got to just drag it around a little bit. If you wanted a bit more space in between there. The balance of it is just as simple, just print and go. Make sure that you're using a resin that's got a little bit more, is a little bit stiffer, I would have said in this instance. And try to keep this angle not too low if you can. Try to get a bit more pitch in there if you can. Alright guys, cheers.